time. Can you state your name for me?
Damn Jones.
Alright, you know your ID number?
2015 41528
Alright. Can you tell me what happened on the bridge?
I don't know who this nigga be.
Can you tell me what happened on the bridge?
I was accused of fighting. I don't know.
You don't know. You were accused of fighting. Do you have any injuries to your hands? Inmate was
He used to be in town.
pulled out of bullpen by Officer Chinky after being seen fighting with another inmate, attacking another inmate. Are you gang affiliated?
No, sir.
Do you know the guy they say you was accused of fighting?
No, sir.
Have you ever seen him before?
No, sir.
Are you in the same division?
No, sir.
Alright, so anything else you want to add?
No, sir.
Sorry, time started on 3151 in the video. Oh, for the correction, would you like to take custody?
No, sir.
Would you like to make a complaint?
No, sir.
Y'all leave in the comments who this nigga be.
In there. Inmate signing their refusal.
So many goddamn Chirac niggas like cockroaches.